You're watching Tech at Work. IT major TCS has unveiled a new platform, WisdomNext. It's a platform that aggregates multiple GenAI services into a single interface. And this will help IT companies and organizations rapidly adopt next-generation technologies at scale. Rachna Dhanrajani takes us through what TCS has on offer.
Tata Consultancy Services has launched WisdomNext, an aggregation platform which is an industry first in generative AI. Joining me now to understand more about this platform is Nidhi Srivastava. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on CNBC-TV18. I'd like to start by asking if you could give us an overview of this new platform. Why are we calling it a Gen AI aggregation platform? What does it entail?
So it's great to be here. We are really happy to launch WisdomNext today. And the reason what makes WisdomNext really special is that clients are looking at ways to scale AI adoption. And to be able to do that, they have to make choices and decisions with respect to which area or which business process to prioritize for GenAI infusion, which model to select, how to ensure that the data is well grounded to make sure that the model delivers the right results, and to be able to do all these things in a systemic way. We have come out with this platform which allows you to do the following things. First and foremost, it comes with industry blueprints. Leveraging the deep contextual knowledge that TCS has in the different industry verticals, we have built these blueprints which allow clients to choose key personas or key stakeholders for which they would like a GenAI solution. So this is something that we call human-centric design. Now this gives a company a leg up. You don't have to start from scratch. So that's one critical element of what this platform is all about. The next critical thing that I'm going to talk about is data. Data is what fuels AI, and this platform allows you to build data pipelines by looking at your data sources, doing pre-processing, labeling, tagging, etc. And that really speeds up the journey. The third one is the responsible AI guardrail framework that comes with it. And last but not the least, cost. So it comes in with a very proactive stance to FinOps. So you can set thresholds by user, by roles in terms of how you go about consuming the compute power, because AI is very compute intensive. So that's another great thing as organizations begin to scale the journey from pilots and POCs to production.
TCS's GenAI platform, the WisdomNext, will be a part of the newly formed AI.Cloud unit of the company. It has been launched after being developed for close to 3 quarters. And in its initial phase, the company has already made it available for many of its largest customers.
Building of these GenAI solution is an art form today. It requires an engineer to make several decisions. First of all, which use cases to pick. Should you use GenAI models, not use GenAI model? If you do decide to use GenAI, which foundational models to use? Should you actually fine-tune the model? Which fine-tuning technique to use? And so on and so forth. So there's a whole collection of decisions that have to be made. And those decisions are actually almost changing on a daily basis because newer and newer options are becoming available, newer and newer techniques are getting developed, and so on. So the need for a platform like WisdomNext came from the fact that how do you make sure that the learnings that we are getting from implementing these kinds of solutions in many different industries as well as customers, how do we actually imbibe that learning into almost like a digital platform that can help every engineer as well as every customer of ours that is building a solution in this space to actually benefit from the collective learning from our experiences.
Well, stay tuned to CNBC-TV18. The news continues right after this short break.